Friends, it's often said that we should always strive to improve ourselves. If you're not satisfied with who you are, something needs to change. Don't settle for less, elevate yourself. In life, most people are focused on just a few things: money, love, wealth, and respect. Today, we'll talk about respect. I'm going to share 15 to 20 rules of respect, and I'll explain each one in just 30 to 40 seconds. Grab a pen and paper, and trust me, try applying just the first 5 rules. If you don't see an increase in respect from day one, feel free to unsubscribe from my channel. Let's get straight to the point. The first rule is, when someone is speaking, give them your full attention. Don't interrupt, and when it's your turn to speak, make sure they give you the same courtesy. Listening attentively shows maturity, and people will respect you more when you don't interrupt, but also ensure others listen to you as well. If someone repeatedly interrupts or doesn't listen, distance yourself. Being around such people can harm your respect. The second rule: when someone insults you, don't react immediately. Just look them in the eye in silence. That alone will convey your strength. You've probably noticed that shallow rivers make a lot of noise, but deep ones are silent. The more depth a person has, the more composed they remain. Stop overreacting. Staying calm lets people recognize your power. Now on to the third rule: fix your posture. Your posture plays a significant role in first impressions. Here's how to do it in 10 seconds. Stand in front of a mirror, slightly sideways. Straighten your spine, pull your shoulders back and bring your neck in line. Don't overdo it, just make small adjustments. Walk with a bit of speed to boost your confidence. And when you're nervous, feel free to put one hand in your pocket. It can help. The fourth rule: when you feel nervous, remind yourself that everyone around you is just human like you. They breathe, sleep, and have the same body parts. The difference is confidence. We weren't meant to be anyone's servants. If you remember this, your confidence will surge. Fifth rule: to gain respect, you need to boost your confidence, and a good way to do that is by investing in quality clothes. It's better to have one well-made outfit than 5 cheap ones. Good clothing boosts your confidence and helps you maintain your respect. Sixth rule: speak slowly. People who speak too fast are often less respected. Take your time, think before speaking, and give weight to your words. Speaking slowly commands attention and respect. Seventh rule: master your craft. The world respects those who are experts at what they do. The world respects Usain Bolt because he mastered the game of track and field. If you become an expert in your field, people will naturally respect you. Eighth rule: use the T concept. Go deep in one field, mastering it, while also gaining knowledge in others. This balance will elevate your respect as it shows versatility. Ninth rule: be able to laugh at yourself. When you can make fun of yourself, it shows confidence and others are less likely to mock you. 10th rule: on the flip side, never share your weaknesses with others. Revealing your flaws may give others the opportunity to exploit them. 11th rule: give respect to receive respect. If you offer people what they want, they'll give you what you want in return. 12th rule: decrease your availability. Like the sun after days of rain, people will value you more when you're not always around. 13th rule: don't be an open book. Keep some aspects of your life private. Mystery adds to your respect. 14th rule: avoid unnecessary gossip. It's tempting but can harm your reputation. 15th rule: admit your mistakes. People respect those who take responsibility for their actions. 16th rule, never speak ill of others behind their backs. If it gets back to them, it will ruin your reputation. Praise others behind their backs instead. 17th rule, surround yourself with people who are more experienced or successful than you. It may feel humbling, but you'll grow and gain respect from others. And finally, the last rule, stay humble. Achieving great success and remaining down to earth will earn you more respect than showing off your achievements. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Many people watch but don't subscribe, so make sure you hit that button. I'll see you in the next video.